folks, so I'm just on Heritage Tram now. It doesn't set off for another 10 minutes or so yet. So, well, 14 minutes, but yeah, this is the top deck of one of the Heritage Trams.
This is the last Promenade tour until... Yeah, on the 19th, I'm about to be able to get out. If it's 172, I'm about to be able to get out for the last one on the Sunday.
And there's North Pier over there as well. I'll try and take as much pub shots as I can, just whilst we're going down, because it goes to Brisbane, and then it goes all the way up to the Pleasure Beach, and then it comes back here at North Pier, so it's quite chilly out today as well, but the weather seems fine. But yeah, these are the seats from the 60s, I think they are. So they are quite old, but I chose the upper deck of this tram. I was going to go for the single one, but I thought no. But I've got my QR code and stuff ready, and so it's been a while since I've been on one of these trams. Gosh, it really has been a while. I think last time I was on these one was when I was a kid. So yeah, last time I was on the tram was when I was a kid. So it's been a long while, but I don't think I've ever been on this one. I don't think I've ever been on this tram. I've just been to sit in the Winter Gardens for a little while before this tour. It's really warm in there. It's really warm on this tram as well. Yeah, the windows are quite dirty as well. So. In season. I think the sea's just making it a little bit too cold, but yeah, one of the windows are open as well, so I'm not sure how this is going to go, because I've never been on one of these trams for ages, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't think it'll be as comfortable as the new trams are, but when I was a kid I used to call these bone shakers. Because they literally shook your bones as they were going down the tracks. So I think there's a couple more people getting on at the moment. So. Yeah. The woman from Blackpool Transport rang me up last night, yesterday, just to say that it had been changed because of the weather. But to be honest with you, the weather looks fine at the moment. It's a little bit cloudy and a little bit overcast, but yeah, it looks fine to me. So I don't know how it was changed or something, but yeah, it's one of the modern trams, but this is the top deck. Yeah, these seats are quite old. You can see how old they are because that's sort of like the wear and tear. But I think these are these seats from the 60s. I did go to Primark just to get a couple of bits before the tour as well. There's the sign down there as well. Conductors on it, but yeah, there's North Pier over there, so we zoom in. Right at the end. But yeah, we should be setting off in like 10 minutes anyway, so yeah, well, I'll take a few shots of me going down tracks and just add music to it, but I've been looking forward to this all week, so. And it is quite cold. There is some people on Pier as well. I might have a walk on North Pier after this Heritage Tram tour, so yeah, just gotta wait now. Yeah, these seats aren't exactly comfortable at all. They're not really comfortable. I remember how uncomfortable they actually were. It's a modern tram, but yeah, I remember how uncomfortable they were when I used to travel on these trams all the time. Because these trams were my only source of transportation really into Blackpool. So yeah, this is how I just got into Blackpool, and I remember riding the single deckers quite a lot into Blackpool. It's a little bit busy today as well, with it being a Saturday. But yeah, should be setting off soon now. My lower back's hurting now. The back of these aren't exactly. Okay folks, here we go. The doors have shut and we are moving. We are moving, here we go. Crikey, these are rattly. Here we go folks. North Pier. I've got to show my QR code in a minute, so. Gosh. I've been on one of these trams for ages. Well, folks, that was good, wasn't it? I've just got off. I need to go and get myself something to eat now, though, because I'm quite peckish and it is starting to rain as well. We were forecast rain for later today, but I'm going to block this vlog off here. If you enjoyed it, give it a like for me. That was a bit uncomfortable for me, especially my lower back. But yeah, from here on the it's leaving now. But yeah, I'm gonna get myself into Macca's now, perching there for an hour or so, get myself something to eat. But yeah, so from here pop the exhaust. From here in Blackpool, thanks very much for watching, take care, and I shall see you folks in the next video.